Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day is brilliant, meaning shandar. In English, very smart or very bright. In Hindi, बहुत होशियार या चमकीला. Sentence: Ria gave a brilliant answer in the class. Word of the day is courage, meaning the ability to face fear. In Hindi, डर का सामना करने की शक्ति. Sentence: The soldier showed great courage during the battle. Word of the day is delight, meaning a feeling of great happiness. In Hindi, बहुत खुशी. In English, the children shouted with delight when school was closed. Word of the day is enormous, meaning very big. In Hindi, बहुत बड़ा. Sentence: They saw an enormous elephant in the zoo. Word of the day is fragile, meaning easily broken. In Hindi, जो आसानी से टूट जाए. Sentence: Be careful with the glass because it is fragile. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.